YouTube and welcome back to another vlog. And today we're going on a road trip, an adventure up to Coonalpyn, which most of you will know, either it being the town with silo art on a big silo or on the way to Melbourne. So we're heading up there because my sister lives up there. I'm just going to catch up and see her. She's moved into another house, so just something to do today. It's very cold this morning and very cold up in Coonalpyn. Yesterday got below 0, I believe. So it's going to be an interesting day, but we're going to get the drone up above the silos and just show you around the town. So stay tuned. So we have arrived in Coonalpyn, obviously Jazzy and Kazz with me. Long drive, very boring drive, and I had to pee, so quickly ran to the toilet then. It's very busy here for this little hamlet. Now we're going to find my sister's place and see what we're going to do today. Enjoy. Had lunch at the waffle place, which is on the main highway. Just brought my sister up to vote because it is election day. I voted this morning before we made the road trip. So anyway, as I said, I'm going to get the drone out today, do a few B-roll of this small town and sort of just showcase it for you guys that have never been here. And also it's going to be some nice photos on Instagram, so check them out. Our visit to Coonalpyn with a 2-hour drive back home. And obviously you get up there about 10:30, you have to leave about 4:30. Don't really want to be driving home in the dark out here, but a lovely day. A few things about Coonalpyn. What I learned was it was established as a town in 1909. Census in 2016, so there was 353 people in the town, so that's a small amount of people. Everyone seems to know each other, I noticed. I've got a couple of cafes in the town. As you saw, we went to the waffle place, also a nice pub apparently, which I haven't been to. A little caravan park tucked in behind the oval where you saw the drone footage. On the drone footage, I was lucky enough to get the train that goes from Melbourne to Adelaide, which was cool, but disappointingly I had a couple of birds that were getting very, very close to the drone, so
didn't get what I wanted to as far as getting across over towards the silos for you guys, which is a bit of a shame. And Jazzy, what did you think about the day that you had?
It was perfect.
It was perfect. And what was your favourite part of the day?
Waffles.
And the playground, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. And so now we've got a long drive home. Kaz is driving, as you can see. So whilst we're on a road trip and you see the sun setting over the Mount Lofty ranges and that, I don't think I've ever told anyone on this channel that I've been on one of Australia's biggest road trips before, and that is the Stuart Highway. I've done Adelaide to Darwin, Darwin to Adelaide, and I think it equates to about 7 or 8 times. It's around that. I've done it a lot. And you get a real sense, especially out sort of even here, of the real Australia, and I love it. It's just so nice, especially as you see the sun sort of setting over in the distance, and seeing, you know, the vast landscapes that we have, how truly special Australia is. Yeah. One thing that happened on my road trip, which I think I mentioned on my other channel, but I'm going to tell the story now, is we ran out of petrol on the way to Darwin. We were about 90 kilometres out of Coonalpyn when it happened, and it wasn't my fault. It was actually my co-pilot that I will not name, just in case he is watching. But yeah, we spent about 2 hours out in the desert. Well, it was a road stop, but it felt like the desert, and we gave $50 to a person that was travelling north to see if they get a jerry can and some fuel for us. And then we waited, yeah, obviously 2 hours, and then a cowboy came back in a van with the biggest hat I've ever seen, and gave us our jerry can full of petrol. So that was our story. Yeah, try not to run out of petrol out there, it's dangerous. That was our take on Coonalpyn. Love a little place, and hopefully go back there one day soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon on Just That. Take care. Bye-bye.